In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for education, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized study setup, the right model for each task, a smart tutoring flow, and an interactive workspace you can validate and export for school. We'll start by setting up an active learning environment. Open your profile menu at the bottom left of the screen. Head into Settings, then Personalization, and choose Manage Memories. Clear out any old project details or unrelated facts so the system focuses entirely on your current curriculum. While you're still in personalization, select a direct or professional tone. This keeps responses concise and instructional, which is ideal when you're studying and don't want filler. Next, choose the right model for the job using the model dropdown at the top of your chat. Keep it on the instant tier for rapid tasks like making flashcards, fixing grammar, looking up quick dates, or translating vocabulary in a snap. Switch to the thinking tier when you need deeper reasoning, such as unpacking physics formulas, debugging code, or walking through rigorous math proofs. Aligning the model to the task saves time and improves accuracy. Now prime ChatGPT to act like a Socratic tutor. Skip vague prompts. Press Shift plus Enter to compose a multi-line blueprint. For example, write, act as an elite university professor, patient academic tutor, and educational psychologist. I want to thoroughly master your topic. Before you give me summaries or explanations, ask me 3 targeted questions about my grade level, my learning style, and my exam goals so we can customize this study plan. When the questions appear, answer them one by one to lock in a tailored plan. Once your learning parameters are set, open your interactive study canvas. Type Canvas, create a structured, comprehensive study guide matrix based on our educational goals. Organize the layout into core subtopic, simple concept explanation, real-world practical analogy, and a practice exam mock question. Your screen will split with your chat on the left and an editable academic workspace on the right. Refine difficult material inline without cluttering the chat. Highlight any confusing paragraph or term in the canvas, click the comment bubble that appears, and type an instruction like, I am struggling to visualize this point. Rewrite it in line with a vivid real-world analogy, or break the data layer into 3 simple bite-sized bullet points. Only that section updates, keeping your master guide clean and synchronized. Finally, validate and export. In the chat input, click the globe icon to enable live web searching and ask for peer-reviewed citations or primary sources supporting your notes. Review the sources to confirm URLs. When everything checks out, use export in the Canvas header to download your guide as a Word document, Markdown, or PDF for printing, or your Notes app. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.